friends. I'm Anugrah Srivastav. I'm a PhD research scholar in Vanity University, Greater Noida. In this video, I would go through how to begin working on deep learning without the need of having a powerful computer with the best GPU and without the need of having to rent a virtual machine. I would go through how to have a free processing on GPU and connect it to the free storage. You understand? So, so I will show you how to use Google Colab, Google's free cloud services for all AI developers. Okay, with Google Colab, you can develop deep learning application on the GPU for free. You understood, I think. So Google Colab is a free cloud service and it supports free GPU. You can improve your Python programming language coding skills. You can develop deep learning application using popular libraries such as Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenCV, and all. So the most important feature that it distinguishes Colab from other free cloud services. That is, Colab provides GPU and it is totally free. Okay. So in this video, I lay down each step how to use it. Open any browser and type google.com, www.google.com. Okay. After typing the www.com, click on the sign in button of the extreme right. You can see here in the right. So click on the sign in button for the sign in purpose. Sign in into your account with username and password. Basically by Gmail account. Okay. Once you log in, type Google Colab. So once you log in, type Google Colab in the Google search bar, which will show the following search results. Okay. You can see here. Now click on the search result. Welcome to the Colaboratory Google. You can see here. So you can see each and every step here. And the next step, you will be able to see the following screen. Okay. Here you can see title, first opened and last opened. Okay. After that, you can select Python 3 or Python 2 from the drop down below. In this given example, Python 3 is selected. You understood? In the next step, after selecting the Python 3, once all done, it will create a new notebook for you. Okay. Basically, you can see here the untitled.ipynv file. Okay. You can see here. Notice the file extension it's .ipynb, which is an IPython notebook format used in the Jupyter notebooks. One can click on the top left corner of untitled2.ipynb and can rename it. As you can see, So it is renamed it as a myfirstcode.ipynb. Okay, we can now click on the cell and start writing code. It will be interesting to know with our first line of code about the kind of server we are allotted with. Type so cat proc and click the button on the extreme left of the cell. You may also press Ctrl plus Enter. You will be amazed to find the output. You are allotted with two processors, each of which are Intel Xeon CPU. You can also see other necessary configuration in the output. Now we will see the capacity of RAM allocated to us by writing another line of code. We need to click on the code icon to generate a new cell of writing the code snippet. The output show approximately 13 GB of RAM allocation. Okay. Now the most exciting part, where is the GPU? It's just a click away. Click edit part to access Jupyter notebook settings. Click on Jupyter settings. Next you can choose the runtime type. Runtime type here of Python 2 or Python 3. Just below runtime type is the option for hardware accelerator. By default it is set to none. Okay. Click on the drop down arrow on the right and you will find two options, namely GPU and CPU, TPU. Select GPU option and click Save. You will find the colaboratory getting connected to the GPU environment. Finally, you will find it connected. Okay. So this is all about the steps of how to use Google Colab. So now you can test and execute all your deep learning models using your favorite Python language in a GPU based system absolutely free. Do drop your feedback on the step-by-step guide and happy learning. Thanks friend. In the next video, I will explain you how to use Google Colab in video processing. Okay.